In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Deepseek on your laptop. It's super simple, so let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser. I'll open this web browser. Now once you open it, type in download Deepseek. Once you type it, hit enter and open the first website. We can get in Google Play. And click on install. And that's it. Your Deepseek account will be now installed on your device. Super simple and easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.